So what I want to show you here is a cool website that somebody else created. This is not of my creation, but I want you guys to use it to practice for your naming and formula writing quiz and just to practice naming and formula writing in general for ionic compounds. So when you go to the link that I have in Classroom, just below the link for this video, you're going to click on this page, the name inator, and then you're going to make sure that you have high school selected for the level. And you can actually do this for naming or formula writing. We'll start with naming. You want to click all three boxes under ionic because that's going to give you all the different kinds of molecules that you're going to have to name for the quiz. Do not click molecular because we haven't gotten to molecules or covalent compounds yet. And then you just get started. And so it's going to give you the formula. You put in the name. Let's say lead. In this case, lead looks like 4-sulfate. And it's going to tell me that I got it right. If I get one wrong, let's say iron oxide. So obviously I forgot the Roman numeral. It's going to tell me that I'm wrong. It's going to give me some hints over here on the left. You can have it show you the answer. And then over here it's even got some little resources including some videos and things that are going to help you figure out how you for example give the Roman numeral when you have a variable charge metal. We go back to my home screen and you can just try this indefinitely. It'll just keep generating questions for you, so you can just try it as long as you want to, do as many as you want to until you feel like you're comfortable. And then down here you can do the opposite because you will have to know them both ways, from formula to name and from name to formula. So if you again click all three of the ionic ones and then get started naming, and actually this is going to be formula writing, not naming. So silver sulfide, okay, I remember that silver is +1. I can't put in subscripts, but I'll just type in a 2, and I remember that sulfide is -2, so it's just going to be Ag2S. Submit my answer, there we go. And then just kind of keep going. They do give you a periodic table as a resource. You should probably have your green one out anyway. And then a common ion table, that's just going to list a bunch of polyatomic ions. You should have those memorized hopefully by now, if not certainly by your quiz. So give it a try. Try it as long as you want to. Keep going back and switching between names and formulas, and watch all the videos and take all the the tips and try to apply them.